and welcome to another One Monroe Minute. I'm Blake, and today we're going to be talking about knobs. Virtually every machine, application, and piece of technology require the use of a knob. Because there's so many different types of knobs, there are several things you need to consider when evaluating the correct knob for your needs. Knobs are rounded handles that allow users to operate controls comfortably and firmly. At One Monroe, we offer a huge selection of knobs. Some of the most popular include T-handle knobs, which enable the operator to be very meticulous with his movements, knurled rim knobs, which have a ridged pattern that guarantees a non-slip grip, tapered knobs, which offer movement in all directions, and so many more. Our knobs come in everything from thermoplastic to stainless steel, so we're sure we can find the correct type to fit your needs. Our sales engineers will help narrow down the perfect knob for you. We are always here to help. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on our One Monroe Minute.